Using CSS, you can create elements border with different styles. For example, dotted, dashed, double, groove, ridge, solid, and many more. You can set the different color to the border as you want. Not only that, you can change the width of the border. To learn how to set a border in a simple way, watch this video. So now to understand the border, we will take one tag like heading. So we are taking h1 tag, and in that we will simply write CSS border, and when we refresh the page you can see the heading here, that is CSS border. Now to apply the style on this particular border, we will add the style, in which we will write the styles for h1 tag, and in that we will simply write border style. Here suppose we will write dotted and refresh the page. Now you can see here dotted border. You can increase the width of the border. So you can write border width, say 10 pixel, and refresh the page. So you can see dotted border here with the width of 10 pixel. Now you can make the dashed border. So when you refresh the page, you will get the dashed border here. You can write double here, and when you refresh the page, you are getting the double line border here. You have a several other styles of border, like you can write the groove border and refresh the page. You are getting something kind of three-dimension border known as the groove border. You can even take the ridge border as the border shown here. You can now take the other styles, that is inset, in which border is looks like this, and even you can write the outset, so it will reverse the dark and light shade of the border, exactly reverse to the inset. Now you can change the border like none, so your border is not set here, or even you can write the hidden, so your border is not visible, so you cannot see here the border once you are setting the border style hidden. Now you will take the border styles that is most commonly used, that is solid border. So when you refresh the page, you are getting the solid border with 10 pixel width here. You can change this to 5 pixel, so your border is bit thinner here. Not only that, you can set the border color also. So when you are writing border color is equal to red, and you can see here your border color is red here. If you want to set only top border color, then you can write border top color equal to red, and you can see here only top border is red color, and then you have a default black colors at the right, bottom and left. So you can set border top color, left color, border bottom color and right color as you want. Even you can set the different border color using short way. So you can write red, green, blue and yellow here, and once you refresh the page, you are getting the red border at the top, green border at the right side, blue border at the bottom, and yellow border at the left side. Suppose if you are passing only 3 parameters, then you can see here red border is at the top and green borders is automatically set to left and right and blue border to the bottom. If you are only passing the 2 parameters like red and green, you can see here opposite border will be set automatically. So your red border is at the top and bottom and green border will be on left and right. So similar to color, you can change the border width also in this way. So you can write the 10 pixel at the right side, then 7 pixel at the bottom side and 2 pixel at the left side. And when you refresh the page, you will get the different width of the border at the top and right and bottom and left according to this shorthand notations. Now to give the borders in very short way, you can use just style like border here, in which you will write first the width, that is suppose 5 pixel, then you are writing the border style. So suppose I am writing the solid and border color, that is blue. And when you refresh the page, you can see here your border has 5 pixel width with type solid and color is blue here. Even you can change the border styles like border style like dashed, solid, double, and say dotted and semicolon and refresh the page. So you can see here your top border is dashed, right border is solid, bottom border is doubled and left border is dotted here. Now suppose we are taking border like 5 pixel solid green here and refresh the page, you can see here simple green border and you can set the border radius here. So suppose if you are giving the border radius 5 pixel and refresh the page, so you can see here rounded border. Okay, you can increase the size like 15 pixel and refresh the page, you are getting the nice rounded border with specific border radius. So this is all about how you can set the borders with different width and different color and different styles. So I hope you understand all things about the border. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.